Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Gladiator shocks. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable floor jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. You'll also need a set of metric sockets and wrenches to fit the various bolts on your suspension. Having your new shocks ready will streamline the process, making the swap quick and efficient. Once your tools are ready, safely lift your Jeep Gladiator using a floor jack, placing it under the frame. Always use jack stands for stability and safety, never relying solely on the jack. After the vehicle is securely supported, remove the lug nuts and carefully take off the wheels. This provides clear access to the shock absorbers, making the next steps much easier. Now it's time to remove the old shocks. Start by unbolting the upper shock mount, usually found in the wheel well or under the hood. Then, move to the lower mount, which connects to the axle. You might need to use a pry bar to gently persuade the shock out if it's stuck. Once both bolts are removed, the old shock should come right out, ready for replacement. With the old shocks out, install your new ones in reverse order. Secure the upper mount first, then align and bolt the lower mount. Ensure all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications for safety and performance. Finally, reattach the wheels, lower your Jeep Gladiator carefully, and double-check all connections. Enjoy your improved ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.